Alright, it's 11 o'clock, 13-hour day, 13 hours today, fucking exhausted, still didn't finish this door, almost. I gotta get a 2-inch and try and get in here and grind, because I got a rot hole here, and it's forward. It's gonna be one hell of a fucking thing to fix, because you don't want to remove the doors. You don't even want to take the door off the hinge, because they have never been disturbed, and I hear they're a nightmare if you disturb them. So I will not disturb them. Unfortunately, my fucking bike that I'm trying to sell for $3,500 that I got out on the front lawn, I just went out and started up, and it wouldn't start. The battery died real quick, and it flooded. I could smell the fuel. I'm like, what the fuck now? So, I mean, it's 11 o'clock at night. It's going to sit there, right out there on the fucking sidewalk. It's going to sit. Nobody's going to fucking touch it. I hope it's okay all night. Now it's got a dead battery. It ain't going to start either. Shut this heater. It's got fucking nippy outside. It was so cold I had to put the fucking heat on tonight. And that's it, man. I am in pain. Joints. And I got a little more than 2/3 of a fender done. And we got a dent that was bondoed long ago. It's funny, this fender here, I mean, I only see one paint job on this fender, I think. I know there's two. There's two. Alright. Anyway, I'm beat. Fucking exhausted. That's it. I'm done. Alright. Tomorrow's Sunday, another day. I gotta go up to Baker's. Maybe tomorrow or Tuesday. Just thinking about going up on the bike, because I gotta try and save some money. You know, if I go Tuesday, there's no chance of rain. Because that thing, I'll only burn, I bet you I won't even burn 3 gallons to get there. And I'd say 5 gallon, maybe 6 round trip. The bike holds 4. So I would have to get gas up in Putnam before I come back. Or get it somewhere along the way. But it's a bag of clips that's like $300 fucking dollars that I need, and I need more clips. The front window clips were okay, but the back window clips were all rotted away to nothing. Because the front window had them replaced at one time, and it was, you know, the window leaked, and previous owners did things to it. Anyway, that's it. I'm starved. I didn't eat dinner yet. Going to Taco Bell. Alright?